Good morning! I am out for a walk. Kita niyo napintas a tulip. The tulip has different colors. They have different colors. And the age of cherry blossoms is a bangir adupay laon. 1 week ang lagos done for biking area and walking area. And kabilang dati flowers dito ito nga. I love it here. It's where I live for 6th year ko dito yan. And dati bantay nga pagtitrail akijay bangir. So it's either ada dito park, Ito'y river park daw, or ijay trailing every morning. This is good for exercising. Look at that. Tulips niya. Kabilang dapat yung mga tulips dyan ang naiti. Ayan ti willow trees. Usually every April, starting April up to May. And then June, agbalin nga green ang amin na yun. Usually, dadating ikat willow trees, cherry blossoms. Enjoy a bit, look at that picture. May dapat picture in biking. I don't know when I'm going to learn biking. Gadalak to no, may nibit-bit. So, natibang soro kinakta. Awan tinagagat nga agsoro. Makasan ti ag bike. Ito yung nag-ukrad. Ag-ukrad na lang. Ay, nagpintas jay orange. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful. Dati purple ijay. My favorite color, purple and yellow. Purple. I love peach also. Peach. Oh, pwede picture nila kayo sa bike na with the tulips. Have a great day.